Hey everyone, it's Dana Kerigan with Kerigan Marketing Associates coming back to you this week with our digital tips and tricks. Now this week I want to talk to you a little bit about your website loading speed. Now as you know, people are just increasingly more impatient and want things on demand, meaning instantaneously. You probably know a couple of customers that might be a little impatient, but did you know that impatience level is actually affecting your website? Well, let me tell you how. It has everything to do with your website loading speed. Now, did you know that even a 1 second delay in your website loading can result in up to a 7% dip in your sales? And that is huge. Now, you may be thinking, gosh, 1 second, well, how fast should it load? Well, according to Google, your website should load in about half a second. Now, that's about as much time as it takes us to blink. So that's really, really fast. And if we don't do that, people are actually moving away. They're on to the next thing. So what's even more important is when they're on their phone and they're searching for you there. So mobile loading speed is increasingly important. People are looking at their mobile phone. On average, our websites, 70% plus are coming to the websites with a mobile phone, a mobile device. That's for all of the websites we host, and there are hundreds of them. So that's really the trend where people are using that. So if you've spent 2 seconds even trying to load that site and it hasn't happened yet, guess what? Those people are gone. And let's hope they don't go to your competitor's site. So what do you do, right? Well, don't worry. We actually have found a few tools and we're going to post it right in the description of this video where you can test your loading speed for your website to see how you're doing. Now, let's say you're not the Usain Bolt of website loading speed. Don't worry. We can help you out with that. You can contact our team and we've got a big team of web developers working for us and they are awesome and they're going to help you find out some really simple things that is going to help your site load faster. And that might be compressing images. That could be caching and doing some simple things like that to get you just speeding right along and back to the races. So if you want to learn more about this, we actually have a new blog post on our website this month. So take a look at that. You can contact me at dana@kerigan.com or visit our website at keriganmarketing.com. Thanks, and we'll see you soon.